Hi, my name is Vibha Nashin and I am the founder of Hygo Foundation. Very recently, I donated my hair to the cancer patients. Cancer patients, as you all are aware, during their chemotherapy, they lose out all the hair on their body. So the hair that is being donated to them is sent to an NGO who convert those hair into a wig, and that wig is then further donated to the cancer patients. So while many of the people had asked me how we should go about hair donation, the method is absolutely simple. There is an organization called Hair for Hope for which I donated my hair. They are into creating those wigs for the cancer patients. You can also reach them out at their website, which is called protectyourmom.asia, or you can just type Google it, Hair for Hope. The procedure is absolutely simple. They require a minimum of 12 inches of hair for hair donation, which you can do. Uh, Make sure that when the day you are donating your hair is absolutely clean and dry. It's very nicely shampooed and all. And then all you have to do is to measure your hair. If it is more than 12 inches, which is the minimum requirement, you can go ahead with your hair donation. Partition your hair into 4 to 6 partitions, and then tightly secure the hair with an elastic band. Use elastic bands to secure your hair at the top and at the length bottom, right? So make sure it is, if you're donating it completely, like just like I went bald, so you have to just put the elastic here right towards the root, so that you can cut down the length from that part. Or if you have very long hair and you want to donate a minimum of 12 inches, just make sure that you put a rubber band, elastic band, from the place where the 12 inches will start. And to secure the entire ponytail, you can also use another rubber band, or maybe 2 or 3 rubber bands in between, to secure the ponytail completely, and then just go for it. Once you have collected the hair in form of those strands, you need to secure it in a ziploc bag, right? Make sure it is absolutely moistureless, and if required, keep your hair in a dry place for a day before you pack it and send it to the center. So you put it in a ziploc bag and then you send it across to the hair donation, which I sent is Hair for Hope. You can search for a place which is nearby, and you can courier it to them. Before couriering it to them, you have to write an email to them telling them that you have donated your hair. If required, you can send out some pictures or videos to them so that they can also feature you on their Instagram post. So that's about the hair donation that I did. Now, my further appeal to all of you, that Hygo Foundation is now going to carry forward the drive to feed the needy. And in order to do so, I'm contacting an NGO in Vasundhara. This person is a very known person to me, and he has been doing all the feeding to the kids. And these kids are from the slum area. They are all the kids from the labor background, and these kids have one motive to be in that school and study. My friends, teaches them, and the only motivation that they have to be in the school is the food. So Hygo Foundation is joining hands with them so that the food is being provided to the school kids, in order to give them a motivation that they can come there and get the education, the basic necessity of today's living. And while they do so, it is important to understand why we are into this feeding the kids. The reason is, when if the kids are not getting proper food, what they do is they spare out that time and get into rag picking. They will earn something like 25 or 30 bucks for 7 to 8 hours of hardship that they do, and end up having some junk food. We want to safeguard them. We want to provide them the food, and the food being the motivation for all this. It helps them to be in the school, learn something, get some education. Hygo Foundation is going to provide the food for them every Saturday. That's what I plan to do, and I will expand as much as possible, given the resources that I get. Also, Hygo Foundation will be conducting storytelling sessions with these kids, and I will try to take certain classes related to English or Hindi or mathematics, few classes with them as possible. I request you to please volunteer. I have also raised a fundraising campaign. The details of the fundraising is given in the description. Please donate for this cause, so that with this small donation, if a child gets an education or the basic education for their survival, it will be very very helpful for them. So I request you to join the drive. Be with us. If you want to come and volunteer and do some storytelling with the kids, if you want to do carry on some activities with them, you're most welcome to join me. Please contact me on my messenger or my number, which I'll be putting in the description box here. So thank you so much. Be good, be happy, and wish you a very happy new year. Thank you. Bye bye.